Mana-eesh Be Za'tar. Thyme loaves. A bread from Israel? Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Dissolve sugar in the water, add yeast and let stand for 10 minutes. Add salt to flour and mix. Pour the yeast mixture over the flour and mix thoroughly. If you find it too sticky, add more flour. Step 2. Sprinkle a handful of flour on the countertop and knead dough until smooth and elastic, about 5 minutes. Form into a longish shape and pat with vegetable oil. Step 3. Divide dough into 3 or 4 portions. Roll into smooth balls. Place on a tea towel, cover with another tea towel, and let rest for 10 minutes. Roll flat until 1.5 inch thick. Step 4. Place on a greased baking sheet or on a baking sheet sprinkled with cornmeal. Cover with a tea towel and put in a warm draft-free place for at least 1 hour. Indent all over the surface with your fingers in order to make wells for the oil. Mix a /tar with oil and spread over the loaves. Bake in a hot 450 Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes or until the bottoms are golden brown. Broil the tops a bit. Step 6. Serve piping hot and always accompany with wedges of tomato. A nice cup of tea will also add to your pleasure. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.